Hello, I'm Mark Young. This week's topic on How To is drug safety. I hold a Doctor of Pharmacy degree from Ferris State University, and I'm a registered pharmacist in the state of Michigan. Drug safety is very important because, for two reasons. We want to keep medications out of the illicit drug stream, and we also want to make sure that by proper storage of these medications, they retain efficacy and potency so that we can get the desired effect from the medication that we're looking for. Today we're going to address three topics related to drug safety. One, what to do if you encounter an unknown medication or illicit substance either in the public or in your home. Two, how to properly store medications in your home. And three, how to properly dispose of medications. When you encounter an illicit substance or a medication in the public, the first rule is to not touch it. Illicit substances can come in many forms, like capsules, which could include amphetamines, tablets, which could be ecstasy, liquids, which could be heroin or fentanyl, powders, which could include cocaine, and topical applications like stamps, which could include LSD. All of these substances could potentially be absorbed through your skin and cause adverse drug reactions if you touch them. So if you encounter a medication or an illicit substance in the public, the best thing to do is, again, not touch it and notify the authorities, and then wait at a safe distance until they arrive. If you encounter a medication in your home and are fairly certain that it's not an illicit substance, you may call a pharmacy for proper tablet or capsule identification. There's an imprint code on that capsule or tablet, and if you relay that code to the pharmacist, they should be able to help you identify what that actually is. It's very important to store your medications appropriately as well. The idea to store them in a medicine cabinet is probably not the best idea. You want to keep those medications away from high humidity areas and away from areas that change or vary greatly in temperature. When disposing of medications, there's really three ways. The preferred route is to use a drug disposal site. If you don't know where an approved drug disposal site is, call your local pharmacist and they will be able to direct you. They may have one in the pharmacy, there may be one at the local police station or even the local library. The second most preferred method of drug disposal would be to flush that medication, if that medication is on the flush list on the FDA website. The third way to dispose of medications, if you can't immediately get to an approved drug disposal site, would be to render that medication unusable by crushing it, then taking the contents and mixing them with an unpalatable substance like coffee grounds or dirt, and then leaving that sealed baggie intact and placing in your household trash. For more information about drug safety, visit the websites listed or consult your local pharmacist.